Juliana, and today we're going to be following along with someone's hair tutorial that doesn't have hair like ours. Man. So, like most other millennials, when I first heard about TikTok, I was like, I do grocery shopping, I do laundry, I'm an adult, I don't use TikTok, that's for kids. Here we are now going through a global pandemic, and what do I spend most of my time doing? Being an adult? Being productive? No. Spending most of my time on TikTok until my phone battery literally dies. So for today's video, we're going to be doing the bathrobe challenge. Bathrobe curls. But you know, putting the word challenge at the end makes it sound more intense. For kids. So basically, it's this trend on TikTok where persons are using a bathrobe belt that I have one out, that I have right here, that I have right here, not showing too much boobies, that I have right here. So they're using their bathrobe belt to create heatless curls. And most of the tutorials I've seen, these curls are coming out really sleek. Like they use a curling iron to create the curls. But all the videos are with straight hair. So let's give this robe belt curls a try. I've had too much coffee. Alright, so this should be very simple. Very simple. Let me first make a center part to my hair, a neat center part at the front. Now for the rest of my hair, I'm just going to use my fingers and make a part down the center of my head because we're going to be trying to blend it out later on anyways, so it doesn't need to be neat. I was planning to put on an actual shirt after taking off the robe belt, but it doesn't look like I'm being exposed and I'm comfortable. So I'm keeping it on. And the thing is with these TikTok videos, they don't go into a lot of details on how to create the curls because they only have like, I don't know, 30 seconds or something. Yeah, it's not like YouTube where you have all the time in the world to fully explain everything. But I actually found this one TikToker that actually explained how to do the bathrobe curls, but in her video she don't show the results.
The bathrobe curl tutorial. Make sure your hair is almost completely dry and put it at the back of your head. Use this as a wand and wrap backwards while adding a new piece of hair. When you're done adding all your front pieces, wrap all the way down and tie. Do the same thing but forward with the pieces in the back. Once you wrap all the way down, tie.
And that's it. So this is my bathrobe. No, this is not my bathrobe. This is my bathrobe belt. Ooh, I think I can fold my bathrobe belt in two. Now. So on my down hair, I'm going to add my curling cream. Now I'm going to add my curling mousse. Because unlike these TikTok videos on straight hair, my kinky hair needs product to help it to curl.
So I'm just noticing how strange it is that persons with naturally straight hair can get away with using only water to set their hair in a curl, but persons with naturally curly hair needs the help of curling cream, styling gel, foaming mousse to get our hair to set into a curl. Just an observation though.
My hair could do with a little more detangling using like a white tooth comb or something, but I have already finger detangled and I hope that's enough. I don't usually like middle parts, by the way, but let's keep it.
Use this as a wand and wrap backwards while adding a new piece of hair. When you're done adding all your front pieces, wrap all the way down and tie.
Pick up some more hair below. Add it to the previous section. Add the extra product to the ends, as I always do. I need a scrunchie. I can never find a scrunchie. I'm gonna use an elastic to secure the ends. For someone who has a YouTube channel about hair, I can never seem to find scrunchies. And it has loosened. Darn. I wonder if I can just tighten it like this. Let it dry. Loose. If it dries loose like this, I already know this is not going to turn out good. I'm taking a break from filming. My hands are tired. And I'm hot. So now that my hair is thoroughly detangled and moisturized, let's try this again. Whew, almost done. Finger detangling. Woo! And we're done. And twist. And twist. And twist. So I'm just using the ends of the rope to secure the ends. Well, to protect the ends. Then I'm using the elastic to secure it. Oh, boy, this is so loose. This side not as loose. I'm gonna do right here, so honestly, why this so loose? It's like nothing got wrapped right here. No, sir. I must can do that better. In case you're wondering, this is not a tutorial. First of all, this is a style. Do you want to build a snowman? So if you've been on this channel for a while, I know what you might be thinking.
Viv, haven't you done a similar hairstyle to this before?
Oh, you're talking about the 5-minute twist out with the one scarf only? I mean, when you really look at it closely, the one scarf, you tied it from the back of your head and went forward, but with the bathrobe, it put at the front of your head and then go back. And plus, like, all the curls for the...
Ding 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 diggy ding ding. Ding 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 diggy ding ding. Ding ding ding. That's the way theirs goes. Ours goes ding 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 diggy ding ding. Ding 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 diggy ding ding. That little bitty change. It's not the same. Ours goes ding.
So I honestly have very little faith in these curls turning out good because of how loose. Look at this. This is my scalp and this is how far the curls are. Like, that means all of this hair right here so hasn't gotten a curl. Okay? No, it's just gonna poof up. So I'm not expecting much. Please, if you were, lower those expectations, please, and thank you.
Manage your expectations.
Alright, let's see how this turns out. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Hey.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Oh. I forgot that was a second elastic. Be gentle. So the curls aren't very distinct. My hair is kind of frizzy, but it's the look.
You know what? It actually looks like my hair was stretched more than it was curled.
I like this, so cute. I think my fit watch just read my hand movements, me fluffing my hair as steps, because I haven't moved, but it's counting steps. I mean, it was very easy to install the bathrobe belt, but for real, because I only separated my hair into 2 sections, it was a lot of hair to deal with. So yes, it took a short time to install the curls because it was fewer sections, but at the same time, it still took more time to deal with such a large section of hair. You get what I'm saying? Because if I was doing a regular size twist out, I would have smaller sections to deal with, and it would be easier to detangle those smaller sections, just twist them up and put them out of the way. And because it was such a large section, I wasn't as gentle with my hair as I know I should have been. So, to me, that was the biggest con of this hairstyle. But I mean, if you don't have that struggle to deal with, ignore my rambling. Okay, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. Seriously, you already watched all the video already, so just go down below, click the thumbs up, check if you subscribe. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I actually understand that we need to become a little more familiar with each other, you know, find out if you like me, if I like you. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave some more of my videos up in the iCard so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you can actually sit down through 2 or 3 more of my videos, just accept that you enjoy the content here and subscribe. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Jim. Middle part.